Kolkata Metro Underground Tunnel, which was constructed as cut and cover RCC structure with M20 concrete in 70s, has withstood wear and tear for last 30 years and have now started showing serious signs of distress. The bottom slab of the tunnel at kilometer 15/3 to 15/4, insulator number 1/138 to 1/146 around Rabindra Sarobar station down track, has displayed serious weakness recently when on 28th November 2007 underground water started erupting profusely, rupturing the concrete at different locations. The concrete has become old and weak and need strengthening by appropriate grouting along with judicious plug-ins of the underground source of water to overcome this problem. This location shows how the pressure of underground water has punctured the weak concrete at the haunches of the box structure. Here we see the underground concrete being punctured through a hole in the bottom slab and water coming out like a forceful spring from the bottom. The complete bottom slab concrete getting dismantled and destabilizing the track structure and rendering the track unsafe. The whole of the tunnel got flooded and train services about to stop. The underground water, which is a continuous flow, had to be channelized and ruptured concrete plugged to control the menace temporarily. The problem, however, lies in the concrete, which was originally only M20, already outlined its life by providing service for last 30 years in the increment environment of high underground water pressure and surrounded. The situation will aggravate further in many more locations if appropriate repair work is not carried out every year. The remedy lies in continuous grouting of the concrete with cementitious base grout material of high strength and quick setting variety, and judiciously keeping the holes plugged, strengthening of the concrete and carrying out appropriate waterproofing work to the concrete structure. This will be a continuous maintenance activity and not one-time work.